Modern weaponry has gone quite far from spears and axes of prehistoric past and has fully transformed through the years. As with all things, technologies have progressed to develop impressive weapons that can provide extreme accuracy, while providing many impressive features. While the incorporation of innovative technologies and impressive gadgetry, a new advent of futuristic weapons is already available today. In this video, we're taking a look at amazing futuristic weapons that are on another level. Before we jump into it, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for future uploads. XM25 Grenade Launcher. The XM25 grenade launcher is equipped with a laser rangefinder and onboard computer. It packs a magazine of 425mm projectiles that can be programmed to detonate as they pass by their targets. This can allow soldiers to program the ammunition to detonate at a point of angle, providing a manner of attack for enemies who are trying to take cover. The projectiles of the XM25 are reportedly 300% more effective than normal ammunition and can strike targets as far as 2,300 feet away. Remotely operated weapons. While robots have been used to defuse bombs in high-risk scenarios for years, armed robots have now begun to develop in militaries all over the world. Israel has developed an automated kill zone, while More Industries, a US-based security firm, has built a robotic turret that can aim and fire 2 automatic shotguns on its own. The MARS system, or the Modular Advanced Armed Robotics System, is a robot developed by British defense technology company Quintech. It can be equipped with 4 grenade launchers and a machine gun that packs 400 rounds of 7.62 caliber ammunition. MARS is fully loaded with sensors and cameras, providing sensational awareness and depth of operation in both night and daytime function. Another example is the weaponized Multi-Utility Tactical Transport, or WMUT, a robotically controlled sustainable system that can provide support for ground soldiers in all type of terrain. Equipped with the M2 heavy machine gun, which can fire up to 1,200 meters away, while providing cover to soldiers from enemy fire. This manner of force protection and support can prove vital during engagements with enemy forces. Double-barrel Glock 17 and 18C. Many consider the Glock as the most reliable handgun ever built. Add another barrel to it, and you get one unique power pistol, the double-barrel Glock 18C. It has a double-barrel slide, a double hammer assembly, double-sized magazine housing, double lower frame, and individually adjustable hoppus, with Glock double magazine and base plate along with double-barrel bushings. The Glock 18C can fire semi and fully automatic rounds, while the Glock 17 fires in semi-automatic alone. Both guns fire at 310 feet per second using Nuprol 2.0 gas, with these gas-powered both having polymer bodies and metal top slides. Hikvision UAV Drone Jammer. The first anti-UAV or unmanned aerial vehicle defense product, the Hikvision UAV DO4JA, is capable of capturing intrusive drones by hovering, dropping, or deviating these devices within a specific area. This drone jammer has long range for accurate interference, with a distance range of several hundred meters, with a wide antenna direction angle. It covers main UAV frequency bands and supports multi-band frequency interference, providing a broader scope of protection against varied drone devices. This weapon can be used to protect against unauthorized unmanned aerial vehicles in airports, prisons, power plants, and can provide security and privacy for important meetings, mass gatherings, and various public events with a high security value. Active Denial System. The Active Denial System is a non-lethal directed energy weapon developed by the US military, designed for perimeter security, area denial, and crowd control. This weapon is also informally called the heat ray, as it works by heating the surface of targets, such as the skin of targeted human beings. It fires a beam of millimeter wave radiation and makes people feel like their skin is burning without causing any permanent damage. Long-Range Acoustic Device. The Long-Range Acoustic Device, or the LRAD, is an acoustic hailing device, sound cannon, and sonic weapon developed by US-based LRAD Corporation. Primarily designed for long-range communications, the device has an extremely high decibel capacity and can fire narrow beams of sound waves that can be heard clearly from 1,000 feet away. If you turn up the power well enough, it can emit a tone that can be so loud that anyone in its direct path would have no choice but to cover their ears and move away. Law enforcement has used the LRAD as a controversial, less lethal weapon for crowd control and dispersal. Corner Shot. A weapon accessory invented by an officer from the Israeli Defense Forces, the corner shot enables security forces to engage targets and move to different positions without the removal of the hands from the weapon. Its purpose is similar to that of the periscope rifle, with the corner shot able to bend horizontally at a mid-frame 60-degree hinge. This shortens reaction time and increases accuracy in sudden engagement situations, with security forces being able to see and trigger past corners and maintain safe coverage while using the accessory. Gauss Rifle. Also known as a coil gun, the Gauss rifle is a masked driver consisting of one or more coils used as electromagnets that accelerate a projectile to high velocity. The coils are energized in a precise sequence in order to launch the projectile and has the potential of great damage with the kinetic energy that it creates. Coil guns have always had the potential for weaponry, with large coil gun concepts theorized to be able to launch missiles and used as an active defense system for tanks. Tracking Point Rifle. The Tracking Point Rifle is the first ever precision-guided rifle that can automatically target and shoot. It uses a laser-guided sight combined with an integrated electronic trigger, which allows for guaranteed accuracy over extremely long distances. Tracking Point system is based on fighter jet lock and launch technology and can hit stationary and moving targets out to 1,400 yards. The precision-guided firearm, the squad-level M1400 338 LM bolt-action rifle, can provide added capabilities even to the most skilled snipers, with the Tracking Point system giving the necessary technology edge on the battlefield. The rifle scope features a sophisticated color graphics display that locks a laser onto the target with a small button by the trigger. The system takes into account all the variables to be considered, including wind, shake, and distance to the target, with the shooter pulling the trigger, but the gun deciding when to actually make the shot. This smart rifle also provides security for the gun itself, as the user can even place password protection on the rifle scope, which takes away the advanced functionalities of the system. Armatics IP1. The Armatics IP1 is a semi-automatic pistol that uses smart gun technology, chambered for the .22 long rifle rimfire cartridge. It is designed by the German company Armitex. Its smart gun features focuses on the IP1 handgun itself and the W1 active RFID watch to form a smart system in which both units communicate through RFID. The Armitex IP1 cannot be used without matching these two units. The watch can also deactivate the firearm by means of a time control feature. This smart handgun also has an interference for additional applications, such as a camera, which incorporates its more impressive features, like the target response system that can be controlled to fire only towards a recognized or permitted target. The Armitex IP1 weighs 518 grams without a loaded magazine and is fed via a 10-round detachable box magazine with an effective range of 75 yards. So what do you think about amazing futuristic weapons that are on another level? Sound off in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for future uploads. Until next time.